Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig tutorial is going to be one of the easiest wig tutorials you could ever come across, but one that gives off that very glamorous, fabulous, lavish look. So the crochet hair I'm using is Darling Passion Twist and it comes in 30 inches. It's quite long. So what I'm just going to do basically is crochet the hair into the wig cap, and I'll try to make both ends equal before I start crocheting. So the crocheting method is basically just dragging the hair through the net and then pulling one end of the hair through the hole and pulling the other end through the same hole your crochet pin is still on. And that's why I zoomed in the video so you get exactly what I'm talking of. So it's not just me talking, but you're also seeing what I'm saying, like having a clear view of what I'm saying. And I used 2 packs for this weave on. Sorry, I used 2 packs for the wig, 2 packs of Darling Passion Twist in making the wig. So basically, I'm just going to crochet the hair around the wig cap, but not to worry, I'm going to point out certain areas that requires certain measures as we go on in the video. So on this part of the wig cap, which is, on the side around the ear area, I'm going to crochet 2 hairs there that will connect the line at the back to the line at the front, giving me a circular pattern so that I can henceforth start crocheting in a circular direction. So I've done it on one side. I'm presently doing it on the other side to establish that circle. To establish a circle basically. So after I was done crocheting the hair, I started to separate the curls gently. And at any point I found difficult, like maybe there was a part that tangled so much, I used the scissors to remove that obstacle. So I tried on the wig and I noticed that the area where the finger is pointing at was kind of scanty. It didn't really have volume. So I removed some strand of hairs from the back and I placed them on these areas where I numbered 1, 2, 3. So after I fixed the strand of hairs on that area, you'll notice it looks fuller now, like it has more volume on the upper part. So I went ahead and did the next thing that will bring out the beauty of the wig, which is to trim it. I trimmed and trimmed. At some point, I brought down the wig from my head and placed it on the mannequin so I could trim the back properly, because obviously, even if my hand could get to the back to trim the hair, I'll probably spoil it because I don't have eyes at my back. So here we have our finished wig. It can be worn in 3 different styles. One, like you're seeing, so the next one using a scarf, and then the third one using bobby pins to hold the hair in place, just in case you don't want something disturbing you and all that stuff. Bobby pins will do the trick. So at this point, guys, our tutorial is coming or has come to an end. I hope you enjoyed what you saw. If you did, do well to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you're a returning subscriber, returning viewer, thank you very much. Till next time, stay blessed, stay out of trouble. And as always, I love you all. Bye-bye.